Hi all, welcome back to the series of Beginner's Guide to Embroidery. As we are about to welcome the summer season, thought of greeting you all with this beautiful sunflower to cheer up your home interiors and dresses. I achieved this effect using 3 simple stitches. For the seeds part, I very aptly chose the seeding stitch itself. Let's see how to work it out. This is a simple type of filling stitch which is composed of very small sized straight stitches of equal length placed at random over the surface. You can even use multiple colors to achieve the desired effect as per the design. Next comes the twisted chain stitch. Commence as to an ordinary chain stitch, but instead of inserting the needle into the place from where it emerged, insert it close to the last loop and take a small slanting stitch coming out of the line of the design. Pull the thread through. The loops of this stitch should be worked very closely together to have the correct effect. Here, for demonstration purpose, I am working it out with some space. If you look, the same stitch has been worked out very closely in the leaves of the sunflower. Also, you can check out for other variations of chain stitch from the video on variations of chain stitch from this series. Next, we have the Romanian stitch. For this, bring the thread through at the top of the shape. Carry the thread across and take a stitch on the right side of the shape with the thread below the needle. Take a stitch at the left side of the shape with the thread above the needle. These two movements are worked until the shape is filled. Keep the stitches close together. The size of the center crossing stitch can be varied according to the design requirements. You can also check out on our video exclusively covering different types of shape filling stitches. The link is provided in the description box. Hope you enjoyed learning these 3 new stitches and their applications in 2 different types of designs. Check out our other videos from this series and also subscribe to our channel to view more such video tutorials. See you all soon with a new design idea and a new tutorial. Happy creative time until then.